From AliExpress for $80 you can get this kind of product. And what is it? It's a EasyThreed 3D printer. Yes, you can get 3D printer for $80 from AliExpress. I can't believe it. Small entry level, lightweight and quiet with automatic slicing, DIY home education 3D printer. Wow! And for the price, I ordered it, and of course, I got it. And what it says, EasyThreed, a black one, mini 3D printer, model K10. And it says, important notice, if the printer came without power adapter, you need to have your own power adapter and must be voltage 12 volts and current at least 2 amperes. And Type-C port. What does it mean? Is it for power adapter? I don't know. Okay, oh, I waited this so long. We got Filament, the user manual, which is good. One small screwdriver and 2 USB. What? Oh, this one is with micro SD card, and the other one probably is the. Okay. We're gonna see that also. Okay. Whoa. So, on the table you see everything for complete 3D printer. And believe it or not, they made it to assemble without any screws. You need just to attach each part like this. Did you see that? And you can detach it. Okay, and the bed is not heated, but it have this magnetic surface, which is nice. All right. Right here we have the electronics with couple of buttons. We have the main power DC jack and Type-C, which with this one we're gonna select which power we wanted to use. We can use Type-C and with PD voltage that can give 12 volts at least 2 amperes. Micro SD card reader, and this blue thing is the nozzle, heated nozzle with small fan. Alright, I'm gonna assemble it and show it to you how it works now. So don't worry, everything is super easy to assemble, and you just need to attach just like this and click. That's it. For all the components, we have the base where is the electronics and the printed circuit board. We have the base. We have the can you see it how easy it is? Take a look. You can remove it, attach it and click. Okay, and everything is very well described. How to attach the wires, super easy. And I am almost finished. This is the holder for the filament, and by the way, in the package you will receive a small amount of PLA filament, but you can get this small PLA filament This one is 250 grams filament. I will put a link in description below so you can check different colors. Okay, and this one goes on the top right here. This is the holder for the filament, and voila, take a look how small it is. Okay, let's print something. Let me share my Ko-fi page and my latest supporters, which one is Mark. Every month he sent me a coffee. Also David from Sunny Penzance. Okay, David wrote, "Thank you for the clock code." No problem, David. Your videos are fun and show me stuff I would not find otherwise. You show interesting hardware with code examples. I love it. Bubbles too. Me too, David. Thank you for the support and thank you for being a monthly supporter. The link will be in description below if you want to support my channel with a coffee. Thank you. Oh, nice. Orange and red. Sorry, and by the way, I found even cheaper 3D printer EasyThreed, and this one comes together with the power adapter, which is pretty nice, and the price is $70 US. The link will be in description below so you can buy it right now if you want to have some fun and if you are entry-level 3D printer guy. Okay. Before I start the machine, let me tell you that in the package you will receive the micro SD card and a USB reader, and you will put the file that you want to 3D print into the micro SD card, and remember that the first file that is in the micro SD card, that will be 3D printed, and it goes right here in this slot. Okay, and we have two choices to power the 3D printer machine. We can use the power adapter or use the Type-C connector, but I'm gonna use it right now with the power adapter. Turn it on. Wow! Can you hear the fan? Okay, and in instructions it says that we need to wait maybe 30 seconds so can the nozzle be heated. I have insert the filament and I'm gonna attach it right here. And also before 3D printing you need to adjust the bed using these 4 buttons, if you can see them, and when you press number 1 it needs to level the bed on the first position. Whoa! Okay. And below the bed we have screws that we can adjust the level, and using a paper it needs to go like freely, just like this, on 4 positions. After doing the leveling the bed, the next step is the printing, and the only thing that you need to do is to press the play button or 3D print button. You're gonna wait the nozzle to be heated and the 3D printing will start. And take a look! The mini 3D printer from AliExpress starts to print. Wow, this is super cool! A tiny 3D printer! And I forgot to tell you, it works on 12 volts, so you can easily make this thing a portable using a battery pack of 12 volts. The adapter is maximum 2 amperes. So 2 amperes times 12 volts, you only need 24 watts to run this thing and to be a portable. Beautiful. Just for you to measure from bottom to the top, it's around 35 centimeters by 19 centimeters by 19 centimeters. And I think that it's finished. And the test cube looks amazing. I can't believe it that this cheap 3D printer can print such a beautiful thing. Oh, and here it is. It's done. It should go at front. Yes. And take a look. Awesome. And by the way, to mention that it have a magnetic flexible pad that you can attach it on the 3D printer and easily remove it. And it's flexible, so you can easily remove the 3D print. Okay, and put it back. I'm gonna clean it later. Just to turn it off. Okay, and take a look at that, at this test cube with X, Y, Z, and it's pretty awesome. I like it. You can see the layers, but that is okay for this kind of 3D printer. Beautiful. Okay, and take a look what else I have 3D printed using this 3D printer. And printing this toy take about, I don't know, 90 minutes, maybe 100 minutes, but turn out pretty cool. And yes, you can change filaments very easy. There are buttons for feeding and retract the filament. This is nice one. By the way, I bought this 3D printer for my kids, and my older son printed this one and he is very happy. Also, he designed a coaster with PlayStation logo. You can use different colors. On this one you can see the lines, but never mind, it's okay. And also we have printed this phone holder that looks like a cat. Just to explain, you need to place the phone right here and it will hold it. Beautiful. And do you know what is this? Oh, you can see them. It's a stop for the door that looks like a tiny And do you know what is this? It's a door stopper. This one takes around 40 minutes to print, and I love all prints. This 3D printer is amazing. One more time, the link will be in description below, so you can check it and maybe buy it and have some fun time. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!